this is Danica and now I am here at Light 2 Residences located at Bonnie Station. And ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga construction update here in Light 2 Residences. And abangan nyo guys kung ano yung mga dapat nyong abangan dito sa Light 2 Residences. Let's go! Andito ako ngayon sa Bonnie Station and andito lang si Light 2 Residences. And meron siyang path papunta sa loob ng mall. Now we are here at the Light 2 Residences. As you can see, this is the construction update of Light 2. And this is the amenity area. That is the swimming pool. Yeah. Imagine you can get the unit over there. Your view will be the amenity and also you can see the city view there. Show you the construction update of 2-bedroom and unit with balcony. So let's go. So as you can see, this is the CR. Ayan. And tabi ng CR, andito na yung unang bedroom natin. This is the bedroom and meron siyang glass na window. And from here, meron din kayo makikita na view. Ayan. So, let's go naman sa pangalawang room. This is the second room. This room is bigger than the first one. Meron din siyang window. And ayan yung view niya. And let's go sa balcony. This is the balcony. And this view is Ortigas view.
Ayun lang guys for the construction update of Light 2 Residences. Kung gusto nyo maging updated, just like and subscribe. See you on my next one!